How to change Snapchat avatar. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and as you do that, select on this icon beside the bell icon at the top of the screen. Here you can simply select the avatar option over here, and as you tap on the avatar option, you can simply change or update your Bitmoji. Select on start, and now you can simply select or center your face to generate new options, and you can select on the hair, you can select on any sort of frames that you'd want. So let me just select some random frames or hair over here for now, and then you can select any sort of accessories like your closet, your face, or any sort of things like that. So I'm going to select on whatever is available over here for now. And as we do that, you can simply select whatever you would want over here. Then tap on the save option at the top right corner of the screen. And as you do that, you'll be able to change your Bitmoji avatar as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.